Airlift doors basically started in 1984, and most recently we're doing a full line of vinyl roll-up style doors. Our target market is car washes. It's a very tough environment.
They operate in cold weather environments, a lot of chemicals, caustic solutions. The rodless cylinder that they were using in their car wash bays was not holding up to the operating environment.
Josh and his dad came out to visit us, and at the time they were looking for a pneumatic rodless cylinder solution to be used as a door operator.
We had spent some time trying to build an operator that would perform extremely well in a difficult car wash environment.
We're grinning ear to ear because our new SA actuator solves those problems.
This was kind of the first in the market, in the car wash market, to do a direct drive or trolley style opener. It eliminated cable jumping, which is a big problem in the door industry.
We developed robust, long internal cushions. There's no exposed seals to be contaminated, modified bearings to support the application, as well as stainless steel hardware and components to survive in that harsh environment.
It prevents other mechanical issues that will keep a door down and non-operational if we didn't have that.
People saw that need and the improvement of that style opener in the car wash industry, and it really took off quickly. Most of the cylinders in the field are 10 plus years, still going strong.
The competitions hold up maybe a couple of years. The product has proven itself.
We offer a 3-year unconditional warranty on the product. That's basically unheard of. Our product with theirs really did create a good, solid package. Having that history, it's almost like you get comfortable and you just know that they've got your back and they're there to work with you. They understand when the busy season is, how many cylinders we're going to need. It's kind of nice to have somebody that's forecasting for you.
It makes our business a lot easier and helps with the routine, keeping our customers happy and them coming back to purchase future product.